Hi guys! Mag-snack tayo ng papaya. Papaya is maraming benefits. Ayan. Ang haba kayo ng papaya ko guys. Oh. Ayan. Sarap kayo daw ito kumain ng papaya pag morning guys. Diba? Morning or evening. So I don't think so. Pero maraming benefits siya guys. Ayan. Ayan oh. Wow. Tikman ko guys. Ayan. Wow. Ang harap. Harap na papaya. Maraming benefits. Yan ang aking snack. Yan ang aking snack for today's video guys. Papaya. Yan. Sarap nito na. So guys, thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, please like and share and comments below. Thanks and bye-bye.